Short summary on Do Epic Shit by Ankur Warikoo. Chapter 1. Finding Your Passion. In this chapter, Warikoo emphasizes the importance of finding one's passion and pursuing it relentlessly, whether it is to have a hike every Wednesday or just making your own book. He provides tips on how to identify what you truly love to do and how to turn that passion into a fulfilling career. This is actually the reason why TLDRead was started, as I had a passion to gain knowledge from books without reading the entire thing, especially since I wasn't the best at reading, which I knew was something that needed to be solved. Chapter 2. Developing a Growth Mindset. Warikoo argues that having a growth mindset is crucial for achieving success and fulfillment in life by embracing challenges, which involves pushing oneself beyond the limits of one's comfort zone and taking on tasks or goals that may seem daunting or difficult for you. Learning from yours and others' failures to help you improve and adapt in your journey ahead. Warikoo also emphasizes the importance of seeking feedback from others, which can help you find ways how you could improve that you may never have thought of. He explains how to cultivate a growth mindset by embracing challenges, learning from failure, and seeking feedback. This example is how a growth mindset can be used to empower you as a person, as by trying again and again you will eventually reach your goal if you put in the time and the work. Chapter 3. Building Resilience. This chapter is all about building resilience, which Warikoo defines as the ability to bounce back from setbacks and stay focused on one's goals. He provides tips on how to build resilience by developing a support system, staying positive, and practicing self-care, such as building a support system involves surrounding oneself with positive, supportive people who can provide encouragement, guidance, and feedback. This can include family, friends, mentors, or colleagues who share similar goals and values. Staying positive is also critical to building resilience. By adopting a positive mindset, one can stay motivated and maintain a sense of optimism even in the face of adversity. Warikoo emphasizes the importance of practicing self-care to build resilience. This includes getting enough rest, exercising regularly, eating a healthy diet, and engaging in activities that bring joy and relaxation. This can reduce your stress levels and improve your overall health. Chapter 4. Embracing Failure. Warikoo argues that failure is an inevitable part of any journey to success. He explains how to embrace failure by reframing it as a learning opportunity, and staying focused on one's long-term goals, just like Thomas Edison, who famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Chapter 5. Taking Action. Warikoo emphasizes the importance of taking action and turning one's dreams into reality. He provides tips on how to overcome procrastination and fear, and how to stay motivated and focused on one's goals. Elon Musk started multiple successful companies, including SpaceX and Tesla, by taking bold risks and taking action. The sixth and final chapter, Making an Impact. The final chapter is all about making a positive impact on the world. Warikoo argues that true fulfillment comes from using one's talents and resources to make a difference in the lives of others, like Malala Yousafzai, who has dedicated her life to advocating for girls' education and empowering young people around the world. This demonstrates that your happiness can come from those whom you affect positively.